Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. So, in the last class, we studied about birds. So, let's have a quick revision of the birds and then we will do the activity in our EVS activity book. So, what birds did we study last time? Let's have a look. So, these are the common birds what we see in our surrounding: crow, peacock, swan, duck, pigeon, sparrow, crow. There's an eagle, vulture. So all these birds are very common in our surrounding. So these are the common parts of the bird. Birds, they have wings and beak, which makes them different from others. They can fly up in the sky. But there are some birds who cannot fly. They are on the land only. And some birds can swim also. So peacock is our national bird of India. Then we have parrot, we have sparrow. They can fly up in the sky, but peacock cannot fly. Parrot is light green in color with a red beak. Then we have pigeon and crow, which are very common. You all must have seen them around you. Crow is black in color. And pigeon, in olden days, it was said that pigeons सब messages लेके जाते थे, like a postman does now. Same way, pigeon used to carry the messages in olden days. Then we have these two birds. They can swim in the water, duck and swan. Cock, hen and chicken. From these birds, we get eggs. Many people, they eat eggs, and eggs are obtained from the hen. Then we have these two birds, which are nocturnal birds, that are the night birds, owl and bat. Then we have, these are the two new birds we are going to study today: ostrich and penguin. Here you can see penguin family. Yes, penguins, they live where there is a lot of ice, और जहाँ पे बर्फ होता है, जहाँ पे बहुत ठंडी होती है, penguins live there. And ostrich is the biggest bird and it can run very fast. Like cheetah is the fastest running animal, ostrich is the fastest running bird. And hen, they give us small eggs, but ostrich egg is very big. And even penguin and ostrich, they cannot fly up in the sky. They are birds, but they cannot fly in the sky because they are very heavy and big birds. Then we have the eagle and the vulture. They are big birds and they are very dangerous. Up the picture you can see is of vulture, and down here you can see that yellow beak is the eagle. Eagle and vulture, they can fly high in the sky. Eagle तो सबसे ऊपर उड़ता है. It can fly above the cloud. It is said that it can fly above the clouds also. And vulture, what does it eat, you know? जो भी animal मर जाता है, it goes there and eats. Vultures and eagles are dangerous. So now, after studying all the birds, let us see the activity in our EVS activity book. So this is our EVS activity book. The heading is color the circle blue below the birds that swim in water. Now there are birds given here in this page, and below the bird there is a circle. Teacher will do it with pencil, but आपको ये blue color के crayon के साथ करना है. So first, here you are going to write today's date: 4/12/2020 and Friday. Today is Friday, and you are going to write down this on page number 32. So color the circle blue below the birds that can swim in water. Now which birds can swim in water? Come on, let's see. Ostrich. Can the ostrich swim in the water? No. Pigeon can go and swim in the water? No. Ostrich will run on the land. Pigeon will fly, but they both will not swim. Penguin? Yes. Penguin can swim in the water and penguin can come on the land also. So मैंने ये पेंसिल से किया है, आप ये ब्लू कलर के क्रेयॉन से करेंगे. Then we have swan. Yes, swan swims in the water. So do it with your blue color crayon. Then we have crow. Can the crow fly? Yes. But can the crow swim? No. Crow will not swim. Then we have hen. Does the hen swim? No. Hen will not swim. Hen will not fly also. It can only jump from one place to another place, but it will not fly up in the sky like sparrow and crow. So we are not going to do coloring over here. Sparrow. Sparrow can walk and sparrow can fly, but sparrow cannot swim. Duck can swim, yes. So with your blue color crayon, you are going to color the circle. So 3 birds you are going to do: penguin, swan and duck. So you are going to color the circle with the blue color. Teacher has done it with pencil and you are going to do it with crayon color. Then you are going to turn the page and here you can see the heading. Write A for animal and B for bird. But before that we are going to write the date. 4/12/2020. Sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. So we are going to write down B. Peacock is a bird. Again B. Monkey is animal. So we are going to write A. Elephant is an animal. A. Cat is an animal. A. Tiger, bird or an animal? It's an animal. A. Zebra is an animal. A. Duck is a bird. It will be B. Then black bear is an animal. A. Crow is a bird. Penguin is a bird. So you are going to do this page number 33. You are going to do page number 32 and 33 nicely. Click the photograph and send it to me. Teacher is going to wait for your home assignments. And जिन्होंने मुझे birds के नाम अभी भी नहीं लिखे हैं, they are also going to do that and send it to me. It was in the last EVS class video. So do it very nicely. This is our new topic what we have studied this week. The name of the topic is birds. So let's have a quick recap what birds we have studied today. Peacock, which is the national bird of India, the most beautiful bird. Then we have parrot. We have sparrow. We studied about parrot and sparrow. Then we have pigeon. We have crow, duck and swan, cock, hen and chickens. We studied about owl and bat. They are the night birds. We have penguin and we have ostrich. Then we studied about eagle and vulture. So we studied all these animals and all the birds. They can fly. They have wings. But some birds can swim and some birds are heavy and they cannot fly. And all the baby birds, they come from the eggs. So you are going to do the assignment now after studying all this. And thank you, my dear children. You are going to stay home and stay safe. Take care. Teacher misses you a lot. Bye bye. Have a nice day.